Hi guys, my name is Melissa Weekly. This is my AEP 800 intro video. So a little bit about me. I graduated from KU in 2016 with my degree in elementary education. I've taught for the past 3 years. I taught third grade for 1 year, and I've taught sixth grade in elementary school for the last 2 years, and I absolutely love it. I work here in Overland Park, Kansas. So, my technology strengths and weaknesses. Our school is one-to-one with iPads. So, that's nice in terms that I have an iPad to use at all times, and the kids each have their own iPad to use at home and at school. So, my strengths with technology, I'd say I'm open to learning new things, and I can be a quick learner, but I do learn specifically technology best by actually getting in there and doing it myself rather than just reading about it or having someone show me or tell me how to do something. I actually have to get in there and explore and discover it for myself. Weaknesses. I feel like I get very overwhelmed sometimes with technology because I feel like there's so much out there that I don't know, whether it's like resources I don't have or something that I just don't know how to do, and sometimes that can overwhelm me. So I do tend to stick with what I know. I don't always branch out as much as I should. What is nice though with sixth grade is they're used to especially iPads, so then there's always so much that they can teach me. What I hope overall to gain from this course, I want to learn how to effectively integrate technology into things like everyday assignments. Sometimes I think I just integrate technology to have technology and I'm not always doing it meaningfully or purposefully. I want to learn how to better integrate technology into my science classes specifically, and then discover more innovative enrichment opportunities and resources for students. So thanks guys, hope we learn a lot in this course.